Top 5 foundational strength training exercises for beginners.
Ready to start your fitness journey? Mastering the basics can set you up for lasting success. These essential strength training moves build overall strength, improve balance, and help prevent injuries. Let's count down the top 5 foundational exercises every beginner should learn for effective results and a confident start.
1. Bodyweight squat.
The bodyweight squat is a simple yet powerful move that targets your legs, hips, and glutes. It also engages your core and helps you practice proper movement for daily activities. This exercise boosts stability, strength, and flexibility while building a solid foundation for more advanced movements in the future.
2. Push-up.
Push-ups are classic for a reason. They strengthen your chest, shoulders, arms, and core. Beginners can modify the move by starting on their knees or with hands elevated or sturdy surface. Push-ups help develop upper body power, promote good posture, and support other pressing movements you'll encounter later.
3. Plank.
The plank focuses on your core, helping you develop stability and protect your spine. By holding your body in a straight line, you engage not just the abdominals, but also your back, shoulders, and legs. Plank practice is key for building the body control needed in all types of strength training.
4. Bent over row.
The bent over row targets your upper back, shoulders, and arms, muscles often neglected in traditional pushing exercises. Using dumbbells, resistance bands, or even body weight, this exercise supports good posture, improves pulling strength, and helps balance muscular development throughout your upper body.
5. Glute bridge.
The glute bridge strengthens your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. This simple movement also helps reduce lower back discomfort and improves hip mobility. Beginners benefit from mastering the glute bridge as it prepares the body for more advanced lifts like the deadlift and supports overall athletic performance.
Start building strength today.
Learning these 5 foundational exercises gives you a strong starting point for any strength training program. Focus on proper form, progress at your own pace, and celebrate each improvement. With consistency and practice, you'll build both confidence and muscle, setting the stage for bigger fitness goals ahead.